Well, hello and welcome everybody. I'm Kenny. Today we are replacing my Corsair fan. Sad day, I know. I finally decided I'm kind of sick and tired of my Corsair stuff having so many damn issues. I've been trying to troubleshoot it. I can't figure it out. Um, Regardless of what I do or change the settings or the firmware is up to date, the drivers are up to date. I'm guessing it has to do somewhere in between um, the Corsair like commander thing and the little linkages that they have. Those, I forget what the little boxes are called that have the two ports on them. But I've been kind of falling in love with. I know you saw my short on this Cooler Master, the ARGB, the addressable stuff. I kind of been digging it, so I decided to take the plunge and buy these here Cooler Master fans. I think this is a pretty good deal. I got these for under 23 bucks on Amazon when I bought these, and mainly, like I said, because of this addressable RGB thing, which just plugs into your a 3-pin fan header, which I believe most motherboards have these days. Like it says in here, Mystic Light, Aurora, which is Asus's thing, AS Rock. Most, I believe, motherboards support this. I do have an MSI motherboard in mine, but I was excited for these because, like I said, you can just plug it into this. The splitters seem to work really good, and then you can just plug these fans into your motherboard and have the motherboard control the fan speed, or you can control the fan speed that way. These are 140 mil fans, and this one does have, it's actually really nice too. It has a 4-pin header on it, so it'll control the speeds that way. It has a 3-pin, but it also has a pass-through 3-pin, it looks like. So I could just run 3-pin to 3-pin on this one and just send it through to the next guy. It looks like it comes with 4 of the oversized screws. And then, yeah, your classic ARGB instructions. Oh, this is a little bridge thing. So, like, if you do bridge them, you put this little plastic coupler on there and connects them together. That's freaking cool. That's actually really nice. This is a good looking fan. Once I get them installed, we'll definitely show you what it looks like and stuff like that. But I'm just kind of teasing this for right now because I haven't actually installed them yet. But I just wanted to show you kind of what I'm doing and what I'm updating. But yeah, we'll do like a full-fledged actual like product install and review later. The other thing I got was a different form of RGB splitter. So this is just a little kind of circuit board kind of guy, and simply put, it's a fan header splitter. So you got a SATA thing that you plug in your SATA power to it, plug in your power, and then it looks like, let's see if the instructions have any English on them, because I believe I think it looks like I bought a knockoff one, a Chinese knockoff one, even though it's probably the exact same product, because they probably make the same product in the same freaking plant. So we got our ARGB headers on it, and then yeah, so it looks like you're supposed to plug in like a fan header to it, and then that kind of orchestrates and controls the fans. Like, hey, this fan is supposed, all these fans are supposed to be the same speed as this one that's plugging in here. That's kind of what I'm gathering based on these instructions that are, in fact, oh, here we go. We got some English on the back. So we got a couple different controlling methods on here to do with, but we can kind of go into that more or less later. I may or may not use it, but I kind of bought this with the intention of the motherboard having not enough fan ports located in a centralized area to make it very easy to hook up. So I wanted to buy this. It looks like it does come with the appropriate connectors and stuff like that. So that has like a fan header on here that you plug in here. It's got this other RGB cord that comes with it too. So that is the state of that. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed for you, and when I get to it, I'm not sure when that'll be. Hopefully soon, next couple days, I can get that done and upload that to you guys and share that with you. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I got these 3 here, and I think this will just be a lot easier to do than to run these and just control these like that versus having to deal with the clunky software and that Corsair offers. And maybe the fans are just dying. Maybe they're just old and they're just dying. And maybe that's just what it is, and that's why it's time to replace them with a different thing. And that's where I'm at. You guys, I don't know. That's where I'm at. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try it out and see how good it is. Like, comment, consider subscribing to follow this process. Take it easy, be well, and I'll see you in the installation area soon. Thanks.